Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. This Rishabdev, he taught that, my dear boys, this life, human form of life, is not to be wasted like hogs and dogs. Sense enjoyment is there amongst the hogs. Better facility, no restriction. No restriction. In human society, at least there is official some restriction. Matra, Shastra, Duhitra. All Shastra says there is no, but there are societies. We do not want to discuss who have sex relationship even with mother, sister and daughter. Still, but it was formally also. Not like that, very common. But Shastra says, Matra, Shastra, Duhitra, va, na vibhished. You do not sit down in a secluded place, even with your mother, with your sister, with your daughter. So, people may say, one becomes agitated by association of mother, sister and daughter. There are many fools, or most degraded. No, Shastra says, Balaman indiyagrama vidyang sapi karasati. The senses are so strong that even one is very learned, he becomes agitated. He becomes agitated. Even in the presence of mother, sister and daughter. The senses are so strong. Balwan indiyagram. It is prohibited. What to speak of others? Therefore, the common moral teachings and the Vedic civilization is to accept any woman except his own wife as mother. Matrivat paradareshu. Paradareshu. Everyone is supposed to be married. Daro means wife. Paradareshu, others' wife. It doesn't matter if she is younger or older. But she should be treated as mother. Therefore it is the system in Vedic culture. As soon as one sees another woman, she addresses her mother, Mataji. Immediately, mother. That makes the relationship. The woman treats the unknown man as son, and the unknown man treats the unknown woman as mother. This is Vedic civilization. So we should be very careful. In our society, you are all God brothers, God sisters. Or those who are married, they are like mothers. So you should be very careful. Then we will make dhira, sober. That is Brahminical qualification, Brahminical culture. Not that because I have got facilities to intermingle with nice girls, so I should take advantage and exploit them. Oh, the girls should have known. Therefore our restriction, no illicit sex. One has to become dhira. Then the question of God consciousness. Animals cannot have God consciousness. Therefore it is specially mentioned, Dhiranam Vartma, the path which he showed, that is meant for the dhira, not for the adhira. Dhirana. And it is so nice that sarvasrama namaskritam, all ashramas will appreciate and offer obeisances. All ashrama means brahmachari, grihastha, vanaprastha and sannyas. So, dealing with women, especially instructions are given to man. All literatures, all Vedic literature, they are especially meant for instruction to the man. Woman is to follow the husband, that's all. The husband will give instruction to the wife. There is no such thing as the girls would go to school to take the brahmachari ashram or go to spiritual master to take instruction. That is not Vedic system. Vedic system is the man is fully instructed and woman, girl must be married to a man. Even the man may have many wives. Polygamy, still. Every woman should be married and she would get instruction from the husband. This is Vedic system. Woman is not allowed to go to school, college or to the spiritual master, but husband and wife, they can be initiated. That is Vedic system. So dhiranang vartma. Because people must be first of all gentle. Then talk of Krishna and God consciousness. If he is animal, what he can understand? This is Vedic system, dhirana. Dhira means must be gentle, perfectly gentle. Must address all women as mother. Matrivat paradareshu paradarbeshu lostravat. This is the training that one should consider others' wife as mother and others' money as like garbage in the street. Nobody cares for it. Similarly, others' money should not be touched. Even if it is, somebody has forgotten his purse, money bag on the street, nobody will touch it. Let the man come back and take it. That is civilization. Paradarbeshu lostava atavat sarva bhuteshu, and treating all other living entities as oneself. If somebody pinches me, I feel pain. Why shall I pinch others? If somebody cuts my throat, I become so sorry or so aggrieved. Why shall I cut the throat of other animals? This is civilization. This is Vedic civilization. And not that go on killing animals like anything and hunt upon the woman, topless woman, make business. This is not civilization. This is not human civilization. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.